Hi, this is a CV boot install for an outer on a 2001 Chevy Tracker. The boot, let's see if I can switch the screens here. I don't think it's going to switch here. This is the boot. Here, gotta get the better lighting here. There's better lighting here. There we go. Alright, this is the dorman boot, and the clamps that are provided with this are just pure garbage. As you can see here, I've installed a twist tie for the outer ring, and here I'll try to show you that clamp there will not tighten. See if I can switch the screen around. It doesn't look like it's going to work. Alright, well, we'll work like this. Hopefully you'll be able to see. Sorry for all the camera movement. I'm on an iPhone. I wasn't planning for this not to work that well. Right. Screwdriver. Let's check through here that you can see. Clamp on it there pretty hard. Alright, I'm gonna clamp right there, and we're gonna push on the pin, and as you can see, this clamp just will not tighten. Over here, this one, once it's off, it won't tighten, but it will not tighten here while it's on the boot. This is just pure garbage. I may end up using a twist tie on this until I can find out, or maybe some kind of screwed hose clamp for this. But this is just inexcusable garbage. Alright, I want to save you the trouble of having to deal with a problem like this. Alright, I hope this helps you guys.